Tinubu, shame unto you.
All power belongs to Jesus.
Tinubu, shame unto you.
All power belongs to Jesus.
Shetima, shame unto you.
All power belongs to Jesus.
Shame unto you.
All power belongs to Jesus.
Cause we are above your shame unto you.
All power belongs to Jesus.
That's so we can shame unto you.
All power belongs to Jesus.
Shake Gumi, shame unto you.
All power belongs to Jesus.
Shame unto you.
All power belongs to Jesus.
Someone don't show shame unto you.
All power belongs to Jesus.
Who's of them shame unto you.
All power belongs to Jesus.
Ozonna Soludo, shame unto you.
All power belongs to Jesus.
Peter Mba, shame unto you.
All power belongs to Jesus.
Me no mockery, shame unto you.
All power belongs to Jesus.
Sefumahi, shame unto you.
All power belongs to Jesus.
Dino Malaye, shame unto you.
All power belongs to Jesus.
Shame unto you.
All power belongs to Jesus.
Good evening, my ogbenge listeners. How una dey? I don carry matter enter like Matthias. Abeg make una no vex. No be Governor Ozonna Soludo first son be this. Ozonna Soludo. Abi na my eyes dey deceive me. Abeg make una no vex. Make una no vex. Follow me check. Na Ozonna Soludo first son, na him be this. Shey una know Governor Charles Ozonna Soludo, the former CBN governor, wey be the governor of Anambra State today. This guy look like him. Na him. Na Ozonna Soludo first son, Ozonna be this. But this guy dey UK. I don dey notice say this guy dey always come enter inside this bush, dey dance. And the funniest part of it be say the song wey this guy dey dance to, that song dey mock him papa. That song dey mock Tinubu. That song dey mock Shetima, and so on and so forth. But this guy, Ozonna, dey mean dey dance to this song wey dey mock him papa. Na the same guy in 2022 wey come out say him support Peter Obi for presidency when him papa Ozonna Soludo, professor, dey support Bola Ahmed Tinubu. This guy dey support Obi. Una know say snake go always give birth to something wey get long tail. Agwọ ga-amụrịrị ihe nwere ọdụ ogologo. Abeg, make you watch this song before we get into the analysis of today. Watch this song first.
You want me forever, baby, let's go. I will never, ever, ever let go. You want me forever, baby, let's go. I will never, ever, ever let go. You want me forever, baby, let's go. I will never, ever, ever let go. You want me forever, baby, let's go. I will never, ever, ever let go. You on me, that's a big flex, big flex. Me on you, that's a big flex, big flex. You on me, that's a big flex, big flex. Me on you, that's a big flex, big flex. You on me, that's a big flex, big flex. Me on you, that's a big flex, big flex. You on me, that's a big flex, big flex. Me on you, that's a big flex, big flex.
Omo, shebi una don see am. Like father, like son. Snake go always give birth to something wey get long tail. This guy no just begin this thing from nowhere. Una see say e dey im papa blood. Una see am. But e get the stories wey I dey hear of recent. Say Ozonna Soludo don disown him son. And his son dey talk say, I can never take advice from my papa, but wetin cause am? Wetin wey cause am no dey far o, because I dey hear from so many angles. People don dey talk. Dem don dey talk say this thing wey dey do Ozonna, wey go make Ozonna every time. This Ozonna boy or Ozonna guy go dey dance inside bush, only him. Go carry woman bag, dey dance inside bush, only him. People dey talk say allegedly na as a result of those native doctors, those spiritual native doctors, ndị dibia, ndị eze nwanyị, and so on and so forth, wey Soludo come pack inside Anambra State, including akwa ọkụkọ tiwara akị n'ọba, onye eze Jesus, eke hit, and so on and so forth. Una know say Soludo carry them, go keep them for one prison wey dey inside Oka, carry them enter court, talk say e be like say their hand dey into so many things. wey make Anambra insecurity come dey in a high mood. Soludo come pack all of them, including their charm. People dey talk allegedly say na those charm dey affect Ozonna and him papa. Una don see am allegedly. Na him make Ozonna anytime wey dis guy enter bush, dis guy go dey dance only him. Una see am. People dey talk say na as a result of karma from Anambra Native Doctors Association of Nigeria PLC. Allegedly, no be from my mouth because I don see am dey trend inside social media. People dey associate wetin wey dey happen to Ozonna, including him papa, as a result of those native doctors wey dem go carry their ngongo, their charm. Una remember, dem dey talk say those native doctors dey very strong. Na those charm, those ngongo, those spiritual equipment, na him dey affect them. Abeg make I ask una, una think say this one na true? According to report allegedly, people dey talk say as soon as Soludo comot those native doctors from business, him son decide to take over. Una see am. Na Soludo son be this, make una see am. Him dey inside bush dey do incantation, the same thing wey those native doctors dey do. Na him Soludo son Ozonna enter inside UK dey do. Nke a bụ agwụ abi na dibia. Wetin dey happen? As soon as these people leave this thing, na him Soludo son continue from where they stop. Una see am. Now him don do to the extent wey dem talk say Soludo don come disown Ozonna. Dem talk say Soludo talk say Ozonna, I don disown am since. Me and my family don leave am. Nothing wey concern me and Ozonna again, allegedly. Later, we come dey get another news wey dey talk say Ozonna, una remember say I tell una say in 2022 this guy openly support Peter Obi when him papa dey support Tinubu. This guy come out dey talk say I no dey take any advice from my papa o. My papa is on his own. He even talk how him papa dey maltreat him mama. I no know whether na true or false, allegedly. All this news na from social media, no be me concoct am o. It's just say na wetin wey dey trend. I just wan sunshine my mouth inside. I no know wetin you think. Abeg, I need make una drop comment for me inside comment section. Una think say na those native doctors aka hit akpọkọtiwala aki n'ọba, onye eze, oyibo and so on. Una think say na their charm dey affect this boy. Wetin you think? Drop a comment for me inside comment section. Thank you.